Are you looking for a job? Then you are seeing a right video. Are you searching jobs in a common job portal like Naukri, Monster, Shine, Indeed, and many more? That's great, but get rid of these old job portals as we have some common drawbacks all on these old job portals. And the major drawbacks comes under job scams. Do you know how to find a job scam, or are you aware of job scams? Before going to search a job in a job portal, you have to know about what are the job scamming happening all over the world. Because you can protect yourself from going into these fake jobs. Okay, here I list out some of the major job scams that is happening all over the world. Number 1, possibility of posting a fake jobs. Even it shows like a verified job or a verified recruiter, it may be a possibility of a fake job when they start to ask for your money, and they may say like it is a refundable after getting jobs. And the second is that they may select you with a simple personal interview questions or without interview questions. This is the major job scam which is happening all over the places. And third is they might say like they are going to pay you more than the standard salary of your position. For example, for a fresher, they might say like you can earn up to 50 to 60,000 per month as a salary without an interview. And they might ask for your bank number or credit card number or OTP. So please don't share your bank details or OTP before you are going to confirm it is a proper job, or before you are going to attend an interview. And finally, you have to be more conscious in the job role and description which is mentioned in the job portal. If it is not related to your job role, then you should avoid applying for that job. And here is your bonus tip to find the job scamming is that you have to cross verify the mobile number and the location, and you have to clearly read out the offer letter which is given to you. Even you have to check out the mail ID and so on. Here I'm going to share you one of the most genuine job portal where I got job, and we have almost 100 percentage verified recruiters in this portal. And before going into the video, to get notified on job related videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Here we go, guys. Open any one of the browser that you have and start typing cut short, and here you go, click on the first link. So as I have already signed in, I'm getting directly into my dashboard page. Okay, so here you have to create your talent card, which is more important. So it should be very important as this plays a major role, okay, in searching your job. So you have to upload resume. It can be of as many as you want, and you have to give the exact headline. For example, you are looking for a web developer role, then you have to search for a web developer. Okay, then you have to choose your gender, and here the important part which is like skills. Okay, here you have to give your appropriate skills you are looking for. As a web developer, you have to search like HTML, CSS, and if you are good in React, you can add that. So Node.js. So you have to give exactly what is the language you are looking for, as this helps you to get a better job matches. Okay, then the next important part is like office preference. Okay, because as you are if you like to work from home for lifelong, then that is also possible. Okay, so this will give you, the second option will give you only the choices that is related to remote jobs. Okay, it can be of any time zone, or it can be of you have to choose your time zone as per your wish. Okay, then this is also a major part, the specialization. Okay, so here you go. If it is like a data science analytics, you have to choose a tag related to it. Okay, then after filling all these, you have to give a check mark and you have to continue. Okay, this is the way of filling your talent card. You have to keep a mark, keep a note on three things. One is skills and preferences, and the last thing is specialization. Okay, to search for a job after completing the talent card, you have a important work to be done, and that will be a great added advantage to search a job. Okay, what is it? Yeah, it that is like skills verified. Okay, you have to verify your skills and take assessment. If you are going to crack the assessment, then you will be placed as soon as earlier. Okay, that's a big deal here in the Cutshort platform. Okay, so we will check out what kind of assessment we will be having. Okay, here it is like the assessment timing will be 20 minutes and you have to solve 16 problems. Okay, though, so here they give a chance of selecting your framework. Okay, so if you have any issues in getting through this assessment, you can contact the help desk to get it rectified. Okay, this is the big feature where it will be helping you a lot, and after completing the assessment you will be able to download your certificate, share it with the social media like LinkedIn. See here, you can see your certificate and your assessment report. Okay, this is the major part. See, as this is my profile and I have completed just HTML and CSS and React JS, but I got 3 companies shortlisted and 5 it's in pending. Okay, so this is the major part which will be helping you a lot to get selected. And let's move on to the third important feature where we are going to start to search for a job. Okay, so here you can start searching. I was searching for a keyword web, so it will be showing all the web developer jobs. Okay, so you have various filters over here which you can filter it. Okay, right, so here I would like to show a specific unique feature of Cutshort where every recruiter is connected with LinkedIn account. Okay, if suppose they are not connected, then you can just reject that job or you no need to apply for that job. See, because it is one of the feature where you can closely connect to the recruiter and you can chat with them, text them regarding the job details, and you can cross verify is it a true job or not. Okay, then here you have to check on your role responsibilities. If it matches for your job, then you can just see. If as soon as you click on the LinkedIn icon over the recruiter's place, you are taken to the recruiter's LinkedIn account. Okay, so here you can check over the activity. Okay, is it a true recruiter and a true job or not? Okay, this is the thing which I like most in Cutshort. Okay, at the same time you can have some accounts which is not connected, that is also to happen. So let's check for another person. Yes, but mostly 90 percentage of the recruiters will be connected, and this is the feature which you can utilize it, and you can text them and you can ask for more details if you are interested in this job. Okay, after checking the recruiter in LinkedIn and after confirming the job roles and responsibilities, you can go to apply to this job. Okay, yeah, here comes a pop-up with what kind of test you can take so that you can have a more chances of getting this job. Okay, so this is their recommendation. So if you don't want to do this, then you can just skip test. Okay, so here is the place where it's more important, because you are going to send a summary of yourself along with your resume to the recruiter. Okay, so as the statement says, first impression is the best impression. You have to impress your recruiter with your complete resume and the kind of summary or overview about yourself. Okay, so here you don't write too brief or too detailed, because you will be having everything in your resume. You just give a overview about yourself, what you are good in, so how important this job is. So you just mention the key points, key features. Okay, then you can just send your resume. Then you will be getting replies. I will be showing my replies. Okay, this is one of the reply I got from on recruiter. Okay, so see, even after getting this reply, you can take test. Okay, get shortlist faster. So if you are going to complete this 4 tests, you will be shortlisted. So you can invite or decline, so that is up to you. And here comes an interesting feature in CutShort, plans. So plans is like you have a 2 different plans, which is a free version and Career Plus. So if you're going to upgrade your profile, then you can go for it. So for week they are charging 1000, and for 1 month they are charging nearly 2500. Okay, so but instead of paying this amount, you have another option called credits. Okay, if you are going to refer your friend, then you will be getting 50 credits. So if you are going to get a credits, like me, see, I have got if you are going to install this in your Android app, then you will be getting 600 INR. Okay, so with all this rewards activity, you can convert into credits and you can just buy this feature, upgrade now. Okay, without paying a single amount. Okay, so this is the another feature which you can use it if you are interested. Then you have an additional feature like chat. So if you are needed any help, you can just contact them and they will be replying you. Okay, and additional final bonus tip for this video is that in settings you can go for notifications, and here you can get a job alert as per your job preferences. So you can just choose WhatsApp and you can just link your WhatsApp number over here. Then you will be getting daily WhatsApp notifications on the recent job details. Daily morning you will be getting. So recently I'm getting lot of job notifications regularly and on daily basis. Okay, so this will be more helpful because you don't need to go into the platform and you have to look for job recent jobs, as you are getting a notification directly into your WhatsApp. Okay, that's it for today video, guys. Let's meet on the next video. Until then, bye bye.